Boost is an all-in-one suite of time-saving keyboard shortcuts, formatting, and auditing tools designed specifically for people who build financial models in Excel. In this video, we'll review a select number of Boost features to give you a flavor of just how powerful this tool is. First off, Boost brings back the classic menu layout from pre-2007 versions of Excel. If you're like many Excel users who've grown accustomed to these menus, you'll be happy to have the option to go back to the old menu layout whenever you wish. Here you see the classic menu layout embedded within Excel's current ribbon, easily accessible. What's even more powerful is that with BoostPro, all the 2003 Alt keystrokes that enabled users to access the menus without the mouse are retained, allowing for a complete return to the familiar keyboard-driven Excel experience. Some of the most exciting time-saving utilities in Boost involve formatting and navigational improvements over Excel's native capabilities. All are accessible via Boost's intuitive ribbon or from fully customizable shortcut keys using the Shortcut Manager, which we'll discuss shortly. First, let's discuss Boost's handy sizing shortcuts. Instead of relying on the mouse, users can now easily zoom in and out, change font size, increase or decrease decimals, or shift decimal places altogether. Next, let's look at cycles, which are a way to attach common formatting preferences to a custom keystroke. Number cycles allow users to cycle through a set of frequently used number formats. You can easily customize the formats as well as the shortcut key. The border cycle makes it extremely easy to quickly apply any border layout, again without relying on the mouse. The font cycle and fill cycle enable users to quickly change fonts and fills. While the date cycle iterates through several preferred date formats. In addition, Boost offers several convenient text cycles that make working with text in Excel much easier. The Shortcut Manager is the place you go to change any of Boost's shortcuts. It's easy and intuitive, and the entire list of shortcuts can always be printed out as a reference. Want to change a shortcut? Just type in the new one and you're good to go. If there's a conflict, Boost will let you know. Next, we turn to a great feature, Power Fill Right. In this analysis, the user wants to fill data across to the right. With one simple keystroke, Boost predicts how far across to fill the data. Now let's put together just a few of Boost's features to underscore just how much faster you can work in Excel. Unlike most add-ins out there, BoostPro lets you undo any Boost action. Let's now turn to one of Boost's most useful tools, Power Precedence and Dependence. Ever get stuck trying to understand a long formula containing references to many other cells across multiple worksheets or even across multiple files? As many Excel users know too well, Excel's native auditing tools are not very helpful in these scenarios, and that's where Boost comes in. Boost's dockable Power Precedence and Power Dependence feature enables users to quickly and efficiently understand what's going on inside a given cell. Here we navigate to an active cell's precedent cells. We can also see where in the formula the precedent cells lay. In BoostPro, you can even edit the original formula directly from the dialog, which comes in handy quite often. Let's turn to another Boost feature that will speed up your work and improve the quality of your model, autocolor. In accordance with general modeling best practices, it is important to distinguish between hard-coded inputs, calculations, references to other worksheets, and even other workbooks. Rather than manually formatting, Boost intelligently identifies which cells are inputs and which are formulas, and color codes them based on your preferences. Boost also distinguishes between references from other worksheets, files, and partial inputs. You can change your color preferences, as well as many of the cycle formats we talked about earlier, from the General Settings window. For example, let's change the blue input format to yellow and reapply the auto color to our initial selection. In BoostPro, you can do even better with auto color. You can turn on the auto color on entry setting, which formats cells based on these preferences in real time. In addition, styles can be captured directly from Excel. So for example, if your company's global format settings calls for cells with calculations to be formatted in a certain way, this can easily be programmed into Boost cycles and invoked with a simple keystroke. Let's finish with a few other helpful features. Boost allows users to toggle grid lines off and on, disable nuisance keys like the F1 button, and loop around worksheets with many tabs. Lastly, error wrapping protects the look and feel of models by quickly wrapping an error formula around cells that may show errors if data is missing. We have only scratched the surface of Boost's capabilities in this demo, so download Boost and try it out for yourself.